Hello Annyeong, this is Yuhi. Welcome to my channel. I'm a working mama based in London who is obsessed with K-beauty, and today we have a special Valentine's video with my special Valentine's nails. Do you guys like them? These are just done now at home on my own, and they took me about 5 to 10 minutes. Can you believe? I mean, as a person who is usually rubbish at doing the nails by myself, this is just amazing. I am blown away. A vegan and cruelty-free press-on nails brand, BettyCora, they have kindly gifted me these gorgeous press-on nails. Thank you very much. When they first offered this gift, I felt really grateful, but I wasn't too sure what to say, as in my channel I only talk about K-beauty and this brand is based in China. However though, after checking out their website, OMG, they have so many trendy and pretty designs with a variety of choices, so I had to say, yes please, send me now. I have been really interested in press-on nails lately, as it's getting a bit expensive to get your nails done at the nail parlor now, right? So as a newbie to press-on nails, I show you the process from very beginning, the application throughout to removal, and the appearance of another long nail design. And make sure you stick around until the end of this video to find out the special 20% off discount code as well. So let's get this rolling, yeah? Before we kickstart, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to show some love and support. So I've got here 4 different designs and shapes of press-on nails from BettyCora. First one I have is this luxury green glitter medium almond press-on nails. And this one is glitter grace red medium almond shape press-on nails. This one is much simpler design, silver nature glue-on nails. It's in nude, French style. And I chose a really wacky design to show you guys this autumn Y2K Hot Girls almond press-on nails. And I'll be using these gorgeous luxury green glitter almond shaped press-on nails to show you the application process. So inside this small box you get so many products in here, and first of all you get this thank you card from BettyCora. Really sweet and cute, and you get the instructions manual that shows you all the products included in the kit. All the essential kits are there, and it tells you how to use using the jelly adhesive. It's really simple and easy. And second way is using the glue, which will last longer. And it tells you clearly how to remove as well. So I am getting really excited to show you guys the process. Seriously, if I can do it, you can do it. Everybody can do this. It's so easy and simple. In today's video, I'll be showing you 2 different ways to apply these press-on nails. On my left hand, I'll be using this jelly adhesive, which is reusable and friendly to use. And on my right hand, I'll be using the glue, which lasts longer. As you can see, this nail glue over here. I'm really excited to show you guys this application process, so let's do this. So first we need to prepare the nails, and we've got everything to do that. So there's the prep pad, and you get 2 in a pack, which is really handy, and you also get this mini nail file. And this wooden stick to clear any mess on your nails. And here is my gorgeous nails. I just need to figure out and find the right sizes to fit onto my nails. This took about just a couple of minutes to do, and it's quite fun to find the right sizes, and especially for these nails when you got different color going on and different designs. I really like mixing up different designs onto the nails, so just figuring out which to be solid green and which one's gonna have the flowery ones. It was quite fun. And there we go, I found my last one. All set to go. So using the prep pad, going to clean out my nails. Just give it a good quick wipe. And then using the wooden stick provided, just push out any mess on the nails. And lastly, the filing. Make sure that the nails are all nice and smooth. Give it another wipe using the prep pad and make sure the nails stay dry before the application. So let's start doing this. You get plenty of these jelly adhesives. You just peel off the top bit and just peel them off like normal sticker. And just put it onto your nail. I'll just show you my one thumb first. And it's really easy to remove. You just pull out the top bit, peel it off, and then stick on your nail. And press it on for about 10 seconds. Give it a good push and voila, you are done. So for the rest of the nails, I'm going to put all these jelly adhesive on top. Put all of them onto the 4 nails. Keep pushing. There we go. Ooh. It's turning beautiful already. I love it. There we go. See how I'm peeling it off so easy using the top bit that sticks out a bit, and then just keep putting it on. Give it a good push and leave it on. Push it for about 10 seconds and you just repeat the process. And the little finger. There we go. The last one. Give it a good push. Leave it on. There we go. All set. Oh, and they just gorgeous. Yeah, see, before and after. Dramatic difference, yeah. Need to hide my right hand. There. Ooh, love it, BettyCora. Thank you so much. Right, now we are going to use the glue now for my right hand. This did feel different. It does feel much more strong, and you don't really need to push down for that long as much as I did with using my left hand. This glue is really strong, so you only need to apply small amount onto the nail tip. And pretty much this glue, as soon as you put it onto your nail, it just sticks. So you don't really need to push this one down. And moving on, you just repeat the process. Only apply small amount of the glue to the nail tip. And then you just put it on. I'm going to put it onto my thumb now, and this one, seriously, as soon as you put it on, it just sticks. Small amount, keep repeating the process. So I reckon if you are in a rush and you want these nails to last long, I think the glue will probably be a better option. Look, all done now. Do you like them? Aren't they just gorgeous? So you make me feel really confident now. Now that both of my hands are looking gorgeous with these nails. Oh, I love them. Thank you so much, BettyCora. Now I'll show you how to remove these nails. I really don't want to remove them since they look so nice, but so that I can show you guys how easy the removal process is as well. So let's do this. In the instructions, it tells you clearly how to remove. It's very easy to follow. To remove the jelly adhesive, all you need is a bowl of warm water, and to remove the glue, there are 3 different options, and I chose the dish soap option. So basically that is like mixing up the dish soap with warm water, and anyone's got dish soap at home, right? It's so easy. So I chose the easiest option. The other options are you can use the nail glue remover or the pure acetone, that is the nail polish remover. And you leave your hands in water for about 5 to 10 minutes. So as you can see here, the jelly adhesive, after dunking your hands in for about 5 to 10 minutes, one of them already got removed. Yeah, it just came off on its own. See, using the wooden stick, you just simply push out and they get removed. And the bits of the jelly adhesive still on the nail, so you simply remove those as well using the wooden stick. They all get removed super easy, so you can reuse them. So easy. So if you want really easy removing option, go for the jelly adhesive. And for the glue one, it is a little bit more tough to remove, but that does not mean that it's not easy. It's still super easy. Look, it just got removed. And the rest were a little bit more tough. So instead of using the wooden stick, I used my finger. Like fingers give it a bit more strength to remove. But look how super easy it is still to remove. If it doesn't get removed, just give it a bit of swirl into the soapy water. And there we go, just keep doing that and it gets removed. Really easy. Check out my before and after, guys. I feel really embarrassed showing my bare nails now. Well, that was the application and removal process of the press-on nails from BettyCora. What you guys think? Really easy, right? I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it informative. I cannot wait to go and try on these other designs as well. So go and check them out, guys. They have so many different designs you can choose, all so trendy and pretty. And the special 20% discount code I'm going to share with you now. Make sure you go and check out the BettyCora website. The details will be down at the information bar below. And use the code BDYU here to enjoy 20% discount. And in the notes section, if you add in the word gift, you will also receive free glue remover. How cool is that? Enjoy shopping and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Annyeong!